Well, if you never had a cicada walking on you, it's a pretty cool experience. Right, Chris?
That's pretty cool, dude. Not gonna lie about that.
Alright, you're not going too far, buddy. Come on this end. I just want everybody to see how pretty his eyes are and stuff.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm blacking it up.
Remember, this is recorded.
This is Stinger.
Nah, I cut it.
Oh, it's right there, dude.
No, it's out. Half of his body's gone. Back part of his body, if you hold on to his... If you hold on to that... That's gonna be loud. Sorry, guys.
Are you good?
If you see this, you can see that it's only got half of its body. See?
Oh, yeah.
So it's probably mated and it's gonna die soon.
You good?
But he can't fly.
Yeah, he is half.
He can't fly and he's gone. So,
Yeah, you're right.
I guess it's the end of their life. Good night, buddy. Crawl on the phone for the guys.
You hear that noise?
Yeah, I know that's what it is. There's a lot of them.
Well, you should saw it yesterday, dude, and today it was real loud. Real motherfucking loud. I didn't know they come up from the ground.
Yeah, they come up out of the ground every 17 years. And they eat, they grind into tree roots. And that's supposedly what they eat. That's what I know.